Hidden leaks discovered during a bathroom remodel demand immediate attention to prevent structural damage and mold growth. Start by stopping the water source and assessing the scope of the leak using visual inspection, moisture meter readings, and probing behind tile or baseboards where safe. Remove finished materials only as far as necessary so you can expose and evaluate framing, subfloor, and plumbing. This limits waste and reveals the full extent of damage. If you find corroded or brittle pipes, replace the affected sections rather than patching them when possible, using properly sized fittings and soldered or compression joints based on pipe type. Drying is critical, so set up high-capacity fans and dehumidifiers and remove any wet insulation and damaged drywall because these retain moisture and feed mold. Treat exposed wood and cavities with an appropriate antimicrobial product and allow humidity to drop to a normal indoor level before reinstalling finishes. A building science approach prevents trapped moisture. Finally, plan for testing the repair under pressure and observe for at least 24 hours before closing walls to ensure the fix is watertight. A common mistake is assuming surface dryness equals structural dryness, so always probe and measure moisture deeper in framing and subfloor and replace materials showing elevated readings. Another frequent issue is using incompatible materials during repair, which leads to future leaks, so match pipe types and use approved connectors and follow local code and manufacturer guidance. People often skip thorough drying and antimicrobial treatment to save time, which results in hidden mold or odor later, so remove wet insulation, run dehumidification until moisture readings are normal, and treat surfaces before sealing them. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for remodel work and troubleshooting like leak repairs, helping people find professionals with the right skills for plumbing and water damage remediation. We also help contractors promote their services and connect with new clients. And we host an active discussion community where members share experiences, ask questions, and get practical tips for renovation surprises.